Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about papaya leaves. I'm going to be teaching you how to do pawpaw leaves for massive hair growth. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos about protective styling, hair growth tips, and do it yourself hair growth products. Right here on your screen is the pawpaw leaves freshly plucked from the pawpaw tree. I'm just going to go ahead and wash it because guys, it's very dirty. To be honest with you fam, I've never used the pawpaw leaf water on my hair before, and a lot of you have been asking me the alternative for the hibiscus flowers juice I made the last time. That is the main reason why I'm doing this video. This is the closest alternative I can think of. So fam, if you haven't watched my hibiscus video yet, the link is in the description box. Please check it out and watch it and give it a thumb up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe so we do magic with our hair together. Just like hibiscus juice, papaya leaves also promote hair growth. It can be used for the treatment of itchy scalp, and it can also be used for the treatment of dandruff. Because the leaves was very dirty, I've wasted a lot of time trying to wash it and get all the dirt out. So I thoroughly washed the leaf and also rinse it with vinegar. So if you don't have vinegar, you can use salt. Salt also will perform the same function as the vinegar. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and give this video a thumb up, leave a comment and share this video. Thank you for doing so. So after thoroughly washing the leaves, now it's time for us to cook it. So I cooked the leaf for about 20 minutes. You can cook it from 15 to 20 minutes, but I decided to do it up the way to 20 minutes and pour it in my bowl. So guys, I didn't want to throw it away. I've never used it, like I said from the beginning of this video. I didn't want to throw it away, so I added some to my spray bottle to spray my hair, and I've used the last one to do my hibiscus water. So guys, like I said, if you haven't watched how I do the hibiscus juice, check in the description box and watch that video and choose one of these. They all perform the same function. Until I see you guys in my next video, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.